Hello everyone, today I will show you how to lock iPhone for kids. And here's how it is done. 1. Set up screen time. Open settings on your iPhone, tap screen time. Tap turn on screen time if it is not enabled yet. Tap continue, then choose this is my child's iPhone. Follow the prompts to set up. Downtime, set times when the phone will be off limits. App limits, set daily limits for specific apps. Content and privacy restrictions, lock explicit content, in-app purchases, etc. Create a screen time passcode, different from the phone passcode, so only you can change these settings. 2. Restrict apps and content. Under screen time, tap content and privacy restrictions. Turn content and privacy restrictions on. Customize iTunes and App Store purchases. Don't allow installing or deleting apps. Allowed apps, hide apps you don't want them to use. Content restrictions, limit movies, websites, explicit music, etc. 3. Use guided access, lock to one app. If you want to lock your child to a single app, great for toddlers watching videos. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Guided Access, turn it on, and set a passcode. Open the app you want them to use. Triple click the side or home button to start guided access. And that is everything to know about how to lock iPhone for kids. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.